again from Bill Luke on Camelback. My name's Lindsay, and today I want to talk a little bit about some services that are commonly misunderstood and confused. The differences between a tire rotation, a tire balance, and an alignment. So a tire rotation basically involves the technician removing the tires and just simply putting them on a different spot on the vehicle. The reason we do this is because the front two tires take the most wear just in everyday driving. They're the ones that are doing the turning. By rotating your tires about every 5 to 6 months, you're going to ensure those tires wear evenly and last you longer. So speaking of tire balances, there's a couple different options. We have a typical just tire balancing machine that just spins the tire and tells us where maybe some weights need to be put to help make it more even and spin more evenly. But every now and again, we need a little bit more research on that tire. So what we find is that we have to do what's called a road force balance, where we put the tire under load. This helps us to determine if there's flat spots in the tires or maybe the tire itself is out of round. Now, an alignment is one service where the tires actually stay on the vehicle. The vehicle is put on a state-of-the-art alignment machine. The purpose of an alignment machine is to make sure the wheels are completely centered on the hub. Did you know your vehicle can be out of alignment even if you don't notice it pulling? It's true. The tires and suspension are designed to absorb much of the bang-ups they go through, so we experience a smooth ride. But this doesn't mean that the road's not taking its toll. It is a good rule of thumb to get an alignment done about once a year, and especially when you get new tires. So we really hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or you'd like to get scheduled for one of these services, check us out online at BillLuke.com or call 602-336-1530.